Hi, I just wanted to make a quick video to help you all uncover some of the resources that are available to you in your online textbook in MyLabs Plus. So you'll log into MyLabs Plus as you normally would. You will come to our course. And from this window, you'll go to Multimedia Library. Multimedia Library, you'll select the chapter that you need help with, which we are in Chapter 2. You can select all sections, or you can select a specific section from the drop-down menu. I'm going to keep it as all sections. And then you have choices of looking for a learning activity, a video, the textbook, guided visualizations, animation. So I'm going to select video because a lot of you want additional videos. Click Find Now. And then as you scroll, you will see that there are videos for every section for all the content in your textbook. So I will not be recording additional videos because you have all of these videos at your disposal that you can watch. But if you have specific questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. In particular, you might have a question on, let's say, piecewise functions. Well, if you look at 2.1, there are several videos on piecewise functions that range from 2 minutes to 4 minutes, or maybe 6 minutes long. Take a look at those videos in addition to the videos that I've posted in our Moodle page. Hope this helps. Have a great day.